Alright guys, well, this guy stopped just to start staring at me. He's a little bit confused about what I'm doing.
Hello, sir. What's this picture for?
What?
Picture for what are you taking?
That's really none of your business, is it?
Sorry?
Do I work for you?
No, this picture you take from this building, it is like from this building owner told you to take picture, or it's like a company?
No,
something?
nobody told me to take pictures. I'm taking pictures because I want to. Do I need permission?
Because this is a private property, so
So what does that mean? I have to close my eyes when I walk by or what?
no, you don't have to close.
But I can't take a picture?
They ask me that someone take picture, so why you don't, maybe they will ask me that who was that, from any company, something.
Yeah,
So
but
I should tell them any reason that
No.
from any company or something.
You tell them I told you to mind your own business. There's no reason for me to have to explain to anybody why I'm taking pictures.
No, that I don't tell you that don't take pictures. So I'm asking that.
I know, but you want an
belong to
explanation.
Any company or something like you. That's why. Maybe this is like government. That's your duty. You take picture. So for that, I don't have any problem.
No, I'm not
So
government,
I
man.
have like a reason for this people.
I'm capturing intelligence of the perimeter. That's it. Checking where all your cameras are and everything.
So this is the reason that if they ask me that, I will tell them the reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Yep. I guess one wasn't enough. Here comes another dummy. Don't interrupt me, man.
I just want to know why you're
Don't interrupt me.
What are you taking pictures of?
Don't interrupt me.
What are you taking pictures
Don't interrupt me. Go away, man. Go away. Go away.
of? All I want to know is why you taking
It's
pictures
none of your business, man.
What do you mean it's none of my
It's
business?
none of your business. Why
Whose
should I have to
business is
explain to you? Do you randomly go and approach people in public asking what they're doing?
I just want to know why you take pictures
It's
of
none of
the
your
building.
business, man. It's none of your business. I can take any picture I want, and you can't stop me.
I know you can take any picture.
Okay, so why are you asking me then if you know I
Because then I
could?
could tell that guy instead of that guy calling the cops on you. If it's
He's
simple-
not going to call the cops. I already talked to him. He's fine, man. You're
No,
the
not
one that's
guy-
acting
not-
like a
not
whiny
that guy
baby.
Right there, the guy in the car.
Yeah, well, he could call the cops too if he wants, man. That has nothing to do with me. I'm not going to
easy-
talk to the cops.
Bro, it's easy to be telling them like, oh, he's taking pictures for Google Maps. That's it.
I don't work for anybody, man. I'm doing personal photography here, and
That's
it's
it?
none of your business what I'm taking pictures of.
Personal photography. That's it.
Hey, I don't have to explain to you what I'm doing or what my purpose is, man.
All right, man. That's all I'm asking. If it's personal photography, that's it. That's cool.
Yeah, well, you make your own decision on what you want to do, man. Just don't come and bother me again, because you've already stopped me from doing what I'm doing. I'm gonna start charging you by the hour on the next one.
I'm charging me by the hour.
Yeah.
So someone's hiring you.
Hey, I'm doing a job here and you're interrupting me, so you
Wait,
stop
what
me
job?
from doing what I'm
It's
doing.
Kind of
You
technical.
stop me from doing what I'm doing. Are you
No,
gonna
now
pay
it's
for my
not-
time?
Now it's not public
Are
property.
you gonna pay for my time or
Now
not?
it's not public. You see, now you're actually, someone's paying you to do stuff.
Who said somebody's paying me? Are you
just
putting
said
words in my mouth?
You just said someone's
Are you
paying
putting words in my mouth?
I asked if someone was charging you.
Oh, and did I answer you?
Yeah.
Oh, I
You said
did?
someone- Yeah, you did.
Oh, yeah, right, dude. Get out of here, man. Go back to work. Is this what the company pays you for, to come approach people on the
Yeah,
sidewalk?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, well, go away. I don't want to talk to you no more. Nobody's here to back you up, man. Everybody walked away.
I don't care if no one's here to back me up,
Yeah.
bro. I mean, it's public property, right? So I could just stand here?
You could.
All right, then. Don't mind if I do.
All right, well, I'm counting the time, man.
Keep counting.
I am. Don't cry when you receive a bill. Just pay it. Don't be a little whiny crybaby and say I didn't do that, because you are. You're interrupting my business here.
No, your business?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you illiterate or what? You have to repeat everything I say to understand?
I'm actually illiterate, you know.
You're what?
I'm illiterate.
Illiterate?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I asked. That's what I asked you.
You asked if I was literate.
No, I asked you if you were illiterate.
No, you asked me if
No, your ears are dirty, man. Go away.
Probably.
Go clean your ears and go get literate.
So we're at like a minute now? About?
No, 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Yep.
All right. How much is that? Like $5?
You'll see. You'll get the bill, man. Don't worry.
All right. Who are you gonna bill it out to?
Your mom.
My mom.
Yeah, she
Oh,
pays
okay.
your bills, right? You live with her, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, there it is. She'll pay it. Easier if you walk away, man.
Bro, I don't
Swallow
know.
your pride. Swallow your pride, man.
Same to you, bro.
Swallow your pride.
What's the reason?
I'm standing here for a reason. You're standing here because you want to interrupt my business.
I don't want to interrupt.
You already
I'm
did.
just here
It's
for a
too late for
reason.
that. You already did. You're already interrupting my business, man.
All I'm asking you is swallow your pride and tell me what's up.
I'm not going to tell you anything.
All right, so I'm just standing here as public property. You can move that side. You can move to over there.
Oh, you want me to move when you came and stood in front of me?
Yeah, I'm looking at this.
Yeah, you're ridiculous, man. You need to grow up, man.
Probably, man.
No, you really need to grow up. You approach somebody, ask them what they're doing, and then give them directives?
I'm not asking you to do anything.
Whatever, dude.
I'm just asking
Go
you.
away.
Can I know what you're doing?
Go away, man. Here comes your security. Why don't you have him come and question me? You're not
Actually,
security.
You can't really do anything. You're just guarding the inside.
You're not
premise.
security, man. Are you security?
Could be.
I don't think so. You're definitely not security. Not a licensed one, especially.
No, I'm not. Not licensed. What about you?
Oh, I'm definitely licensed
Licensed for what?
to take photos and video.
You don't need to be licensed to take photos. and
Exactly.
videos.
So
Are
go
you
away,
retarded?
crybaby.
Why would you say that?
If you know that
Are
much
you
about the
fucking
law, why
retarded?
would you even come and ask me?
I'm just asking you a simple question.
It's none of your
what
business.
Are you taking pictures?
I'm gonna give you the same answer. It's none of your business, man. Oh man, you're funny, dude.
Same to you, man. It's a simple question. It's like,
Yeah, it's a
I'll
simple
take a
answer. Mind your own business, man.
bro,
Simple answer. Mind your own business. That's all you got to do. You can swallow your pride and walk away.
you can swallow your pride and just say it's personal photography.
It's none of
it.
your business, man.
All right.
I'm swallowing my pride and I'm telling you it's none of your business. Because I don't have to explain shit to you. And when you make that coward call, they're going to tell you the same thing, man. Don't worry.
Howard, what?
The police are not on your side.
Bro, I'm not even gonna call in the police. I'm checking my email.
Okay, sure. That's how all crybabies start their sentences when they're calling the cops.
It's legitimately checking my email.
Yeah, I don't know about that, man. I don't know about that.
That's fine. You can think whatever you want.
I don't know
You look
about
like
that.
I'm a fucking idiot. So.
I don't. Hey,
You know what? I'm sorry. That's
hey,
actually
you
kinda
practice
mean.
what you preach, man. You practice what you preach.
No, you're right.
Hey, come get your boy toy.
Oh, you talking to my homeboy?
Yeah, come get your boy toy, man. Come get your boy toy. He's lonely.
It's not my boss.
Come take him back to work, man.
He's not my
He needs
boss.
he needs guidance. He needs somebody to tell him what to do, like the way he wants to tell people what to do. It's none of your business how long I've been out here, really. You always worry about what people do in public, man?
I worry about when we have a drug issue on this street right here.
Oh,
not
where's
our
the
neighboring
drugs?
street.
Where's the drugs?
I don't know.
So
what I'm
wait. So
saying.
now you're
I'm just
profiling
being-
me?
I'm not profiling.
I'm standing here with a camera. You're profiling me of doing drugs,
Did
or
I say you were doing drugs?
well, you're saying there's a drug problem.
There is a drug problem.
So why are you approaching me if there's a drug
just wanna
problem?
make
Maybe
sure
you
you're
should
fine.
you should call the cops and tell them there's a drug problem.
We did.
Oh, okay. So what? Now you take matters into your own hands.
No, we're just being proactive.
Nah, you're taking matters into your own hands.
Why are you stuffing words into my mouth, bro? Come on, man.
Are you putting?
Are you really
didn't you
stupid,
just
bro?
tell me that there's a
Are
drug
you-
problem and that's
Yeah.
why you're out here checking on me?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay. Oh man, this is great. Take your boy toy back to work, man.
He's not my boss.
Security for our side, so I have no business with people who work inside.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no business. Okay. Oh,
You getting my
man.
good side, Ed?
You gonna stand in front of me again or what?
Oh, you actually moved. No, I'm good.
You're making yourself look like a fool, man.
Yeah?
Yep.
We're gonna see this at YouTube?
Don't worry about that, man. You're gonna be on the news
Yeah, for which one?
for the drug problem in this area.
Yeah?
I'm gonna expose you for dealing drugs out here on the streets and helping people with their drug problems.
Okay. Hey, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. What type of drugs?
I don't know. You tell me. You're the dealer.
You're the one that's coming to buy, so
You're the
like,
dealer, man.
You have it, right? You're doing your expose.
You're the dealer. When's Daddy gonna come out and tell you to go back to work, man?
Daddy?
Yeah? Don't you work for Daddy here?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah?
My dad owns this company.
Oh, okay. How about Mommy? Mommy owns it too?
Yeah, mommy owns it too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, whole family owns it.
Oh, got
You need a
you.
job? Is that why you're doing this?
Nah,
Alright, I'm just making sure.
for sure I don't. So tough to walk away, huh?
No, man, I'm just asking you a simple question. You made this a lot tougher. You could
Hey, I don't have to answer to you, man. Don't you get it? I don't have to answer
You
to
don't
you.
have to answer.
I don't
It's just
have to
simple
answer
question.
anything.
It's just politeness.
No, it's called. I have the right to remain silent, man. I don't have to answer anything. Not to you or the
interrogating.
cops or anybody. I don't have to answer anything.
I'm not interrogating you. I was just a simple.
Well, I'm just telling you, I have the right, just like you have the right to remain silent, man. I don't have to answer anything.
No, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
It's just a simple
So why would you
question.
keep on asking the same question? As simple as it is, why won't you just accept that I'm not going to answer your question?
Bro, it's just a simple, polite question.
Yeah, it's a
It's
simple
just like
answer,
common
man.
Decency of like, hey,
It's a simple
what's
answer.
up?
I don't answer questions.
That's it.
Very simple answer.
You know, if you're saying, oh, I got hired to do something, it's like, okay, that's fine. You know,
Man, you're trying hard
trying hard to,
to get an answer. Obviously, right? What else are you trying hard for?
yeah, pretty much just
You
asking
look,
you what you're
you
here
trying hard to look legit or what?
for. Look legit,
Yeah.
maybe.
Do you mind if I get back to my photos now, man? There's stuff going on in there that I need to take photos of.
There's stuff going on in there.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
I don't want you standing here staring at me though, man.
I'm not gonna be standing.
You
here
make me
staring.
nervous. I
If
fear
you-
for my
if you
life.
Point the camera over there. I'll
I
walk
fear
away.
for my life, man.
You fear for your life.
Yeah, I fear for my life.
All right. You point the camera away. I'll walk away. How about that? You point the camera that way. I'll start walking that way.
How about you just walk away and then I'll point the camera wherever I want.
All right, deal.
See ya.
All right, you good?
Kick rocks, man.
All right.
Kick rocks and
safe.
eat dust.
No, seriously, about the drug issue, be safe.
How many pictures you take? How many pictures you take? Like 100, 200, 300,
5,000.
5,000? What do you do with that picture?
Huh?
Why did you do that?
Why do you keep interrupting me, man?
Yeah.
Why do you keep interrupting me?
I don't want to interrupt, so because these people, they always told me that tell him that do not picture.
Why would they tell me not to picture?
Because it's not allowed. It's the private property.
By who is it not allowed?
Nobody can take picture.
That's not true, man. You need to learn the law.
So,
You're a security guard. You need to learn the law.
so I'm a security guard. So, but I should
Oh,
tell
sir.
these people.
How we doing?
Yeah? You
Good.
can't interrupt me too, huh?
No, I just want to make sure. Do you need anything or anything we can help you with? Or
Nah,
let you know
man.
what we do?
Actually, you have a couple of employees that like to profile people and to be racist. So you might want to look into the people you hire.
Oh, that's bad. Yeah, no, we don't do that. So, again, you're out. Don't take video, but if there's any questions we can answer for you, we'd be more than happy to answer anything for you. But
No. If I have questions, I'll come knock on the door over there.
okay, well, stay safe and yeah.
Thank you.
All right, thank
You might want to let your security know that it's not against the law to film in public because he keeps. This is like the third time he's approached me already.
Switch out here because this is the city. City. Should be fine out here. So yeah, but it's good. I want to see if there's anything we can do to help with any concerns or anything that we're like.
No, just
Yeah, if there's anything I'm aware of I can help with, I don't know. You let me know.
no. Well, once I'm done with my investigation, I'll send the report over. They'll probably contact you by email. Do you have an email address?
Yeah, just info@natural.com.
Got you.
And then that'll eventually whittle its way over to me.
All right.
Okay, but again, stay safe. Thank you, and if you need anything, let us know.
I appreciate you. Thank you. Very respectful gentleman. Got to give him that respect back. But these folks are very uneducated here. Especially the guy that came up and wanted to say that I was on drugs and talking about what I'm wearing. So here it is, guys.